Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hardest Info channel. Today I'm going to show you the top tricks of your MARSHALL Tufton speaker. So, we have here actually three top tricks maybe. The first one is that we can manage treble level using this slider here. We can decrease and increase it. The second one is that here we do have bass and we can manage the bass. And the third one is that we can it's not about managing the volume level, it's about turning off our speaker using the volume slider, and that we can turn on our speaker with the volume slider. Here, if you just click, it's turning on and off. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.